Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to draw the factor tree of number 112. So let's start by writing the number 112 on top. As we are making the factor tree of 112, we are going to write the number 112. Now the second step here is to think of factors of 112. As this is a big number, we do not know the factors of 112, so we'll divide this 112 by prime number. So the first prime number is number 2. So we can divide 112 by 2. 2 times 5 is 10, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12. So one of the factors of 112 is 56 and the other factor is 2. And 2 is a prime number, we are going to circle the prime number in the factor tree. Now we are going to find the factors of number 56. As 56 is an even number, we can divide 56 by 2 and find its two factors. So one of the factors is 2 and the other factor we can get by dividing 56 by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. So the other factor of 56 is 28. So the two factors of 56 are 28 and 2. So 2 is a prime number, we are going to circle that number. And again we are going to find the two factors of number 28. We keep on finding the factors of the bigger number or the other number which is not a prime number until we get all prime numbers or until the number is fully divided and we get 1. One of the factors of 28 can be 2 because 28 is an even number. It is fully divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Here we got a prime number which is 2. We are going to circle that number 2. Next we'll divide 14 and we'll find its factors. So one of the factors is 2 and the other factor is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Now here we see that 2 is a prime number, so we are going to circle that. And the other factor which is 7 is also a prime number, so we are going to circle that. And as it is a prime number, we cannot find more factors of 7, so we are going to stop here. All the numbers which are circled will be the prime factors of 112. So we can write 112 as the product of its prime factors as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. This is how we can find the prime factors of any number using the factor tree method. One more thing I want to point out here is that there can be more than one factor tree of the same number. We can divide 112 by any other number like 4. If we divide 112 by 4, the factor tree will be different than this one, but the factors remains the same. So the factors will always be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. This is how we draw the factor tree for any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.